Courthouse case, Legends of Rosewood Village versus Sean Weisberg.
No, Susan.
Susan, I'm sorry, what did I say, Sean?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I
Yes.
was trying to change your name. I'm sorry.
And gender.
Thank you. I guess.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jackie Snyder Potter on behalf of Mark Wasbury for the plaintiff.
All right. All right. Where are we on her case?
Okay, so the payment was applied. So the total now is $2,667.90. That's as of
And that
today.
was a payment from
Miss Weisberg.
her.
Yes.
Got it. Okay. So, ma'am, how are you intending on getting the rest of this paid?
Well, Your Honor, may I catch you up on what's happening for a moment?
Sure.
Looks
Okay.
like she's out of the hospital, so that's a
That's
good
right.
that's a good
If
sign.
you recall, the last time I saw you, I was in my hospital bed.
Mhm.
Yes, ma'am.
And your advice wisely was, don't worry about this and get better. So I followed your advice. I didn't worry. Now the amount and right now, by the way, I just got out of rehab. So I've had a steady stream of occupational therapy therapists coming into my house in the last few days.
Good.
And in addition to that, I had scammers try to steal at least $1,000 from my bank account. My credit union just canceled all my accounts. They're changing all the numbers on all my accounts. And I have to check with them and see the status of things, which I don't even know at the moment. I'm sorry to say, I don't even know. Yeah. And the amount that was just mentioned is not the amount of my rent, it's higher. So apparently there was some charge added to that, which I'm not aware of.
There was a late fee, Your Honor, as well as the court costs.
The judge breaks down the math. If the case rolls forward into the next month, the balance could jump to over $5,000. Instead of letting that happen, he locks in the current amount and prepares to issue a judgment for possession.
Okay.
It's a lot of money.
So it's okay. The court costs is
One-
probably not so much the late fee as the court cost is
Yeah.
probably kicking it up to where you notice it. Okay.
I
Go
know it's
ahead.
not- Okay, so last time I paid $21.68, I believe, and you ordered them to cash my check, which was
Yes.
thank you. And this time, as I say, right today, I don't even know what money is available in my account to be able to pay. But I know that I will get a check on the 3rd of the next month. And that will be a chunk. Now, right now, I can't work. So I'm also out of my work, which normally supplements my money and allows me to pay this. Sorry, I'm vague, but I don't truthfully know what I have.
Okay.
I know that I can pay some at the beginning of March. How much, I'm not sure, but I can let you
Okay.
know.
Do you know how much is your monthly rent? Why don't we start there?
Okay, thank you. Well, the last time I paid $21.68, that's what they asked for, that's what I paid, that's what you ordered them to cash. Normally, I thought my rent was $23.51.
That
Excuse me?
so her rent is $2,211, and then there's utilities that they divide amongst, that's $140. So that would be around what, right, I believe.
Okay, $23.51, right? Yeah.
Yeah, so utilities would be $140. I think that would be close to what she would pay.
All
Yeah,
right.
$23.51 would be what she paid for rent and utilities.
Right.
Got it. So
Yeah.
this figure, in essence, we would go back to where we were last week if I click over it to the next month. Right?
Right. Yes. And that would be, I didn't calculate that, but I can. That would be $5,018.09 with the court costs and the February late fee. There wouldn't be a March late fee until it would be late.
So, Ms. Weisberg?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So your check that you get on the 3rd, how much of that are you gonna be able to pay toward this? You
It's a good
think?
question. It's a good question. Well, usually I pay all of it. And I live on what else is remaining from my work, which I don't have at the moment.
Got it. Okay,
My check, it's a social security check.
okay.
Now I got a benefit that allows me to have a little bit more in my social security check, but I don't even know how much of that is going to be. At a minimum, it's around $1,100. I expect it to be somewhat more, but I don't know how much.
And your accounts are frozen.
Right now, well,
Your-
they've been
bless you.
changed. All my account numbers were changed. And I haven't checked yet with my credit union today to see where we stand. I don't think they can find the scammers. I think they told me they're not going to have luck finding them.
Okay. And to your knowledge, did they get the money out of your account or?
Yeah, I think so, but I'm not even sure about that. I think
Okay.
they did
Oh.
because I've hardly got anything left. I have about $1,000 left right now, but I did get better, Your Honor, just like you told me.
You know what, Ms. Weisberger, that's what I was gonna ask you. I said, yeah, we're talking all this money. The important thing, how are you feeling?
Well, thank you very much, Your Honor. I feel better. I'm getting my strength back. I'm at home at least. And I'm going to be stronger with the help of the PT and the OT and all these people who are coming to help me.
All right.
I'm trying to get some help in my house. That also will be good. I got a lot of things to arrange. There's
I
no
got
rest for the weary, if you know what I mean.
No, I understand that. So,
I feel better though. Thank you.
okay, I'm glad for. That's the real blessing, right?
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
So have you contacted Hawk at all?
I did in the past, but they didn't help me at all. I can try again. I'll be happy to try again.
Okay, I'm gonna want you to try again,
Okay.
okay?
Yeah.
Because you have some income coming in.
Yes, I have my social.
And
Yeah.
yeah, and so normally, Ms. Weisberg, what I would do is I would just grant plaintiff a judgment for this amount. So I lock that figure in and we try to get that paid off,
Which amount?
right?
You mean the large amount
The
that you mentioned?
the 2667.90. Because otherwise what happens if I let this go to my next date on the 13th,
Yeah,
we're gonna be at $5,000.
that's the way. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
It just makes me sicker, Your Honor, to hear that.
I know. All right. So here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna
Okay.
lock this figure in. We're gonna work on trying to get this 2667.
Okay.
All right.
Yes,
It will not include your March rent.
right.
Okay,
I can't
so
pay it, but I won't have any money to pay it until March 3rd.
right, I got you. But here's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
But then he does something different. He extends the writ date to March 17th and orders that no eviction can happen without another hearing. He wants to make sure the bank fraud situation clears before anything drastic happens.
I'm gonna grant a judgment for possession, finding no tribal issue for the 2667.90. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna do something a little different, counsel. I'm gonna give her a writ date of the 17th, realizing that she's got the issue with the credit union and what's left in her account, trying to sort that out.
Okay.
Plus, she'll get a check in.
Yeah.
And so I'm gonna extend her writ date to the 17th. So, Ms. Weisberg, so you understand what I'm doing? I'm
Yes.
putting it out about another 8 days from the time that they could try to do anything. Okay?
Okay.
All right? Just stay with me here. I'm also gonna indicate no writ without a hearing, because I want to make sure that we've got a lot of people whose accounts are being frozen because of scammers. And I just want to make sure that this kind of clears through before anything might happen.
Do you want that in the further order section, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't hear what Jackie Snyder said. What
I
you-
was asking
said
where
that
you wanted
she's-
it on the judgment form.
oh, on the judge. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
where- where I put
it'd
those-
be under paragraph 10.
Okay.
Okay,
Well, let me see. You're gonna make the statement that I owe 2667.90, and you'll extend this till March 17th. So I'll come and see you again on March 17th.
no, you won't see me again.
I
But
won't.
here's what will happen. Here's
Okay.
what will happen. I need you to get in touch with Hawk,
Okay.
okay?
Yes.
And I may put you into a breakout room with my court liaison officer so we can shortcut that process for you.
Oh, great.
But here's what will happen.
Yeah.
What I don't, so the next step that would happen if you don't pay
Yeah.
is that they would be filing paperwork to try to have you evicted.
Oh.
Okay, but no, just listen to me.
Before closing the case, the judge checks on her health. That's the real blessing, he tells her. He connects her with the court liaison to contact rental assistance immediately. In this courtroom, consequences are real, but so is compassion.
All right,
Yeah.
but before they could do that,
Mhm.
they've got to come back and see me.
Okay.
You got that?
Yeah. But you didn't tell me what you're gonna say.
You want me to tell you what I'm gonna say then?
Oh, well, no, only if it's good. Only if it's good.
Only if it's good?
Yeah.
Okay. Ms. Weisberg, this is my way of trying to just make sure that we keep a handle on everything and so that we can see and make sure everything's clear and that something doesn't just happen to you, okay?
Yes. Thank you so much, Your Honor. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so we'll do it that way. And Ms. Weisberg, you just continue to get better. You hear me?
Thank you. I'm working on it, Your Honor. It was a serious thing that happened to me. So thank you very much. I'm doing my best. Thank you.
Fantastic.
It's
You
very
take care.
wise. Thank you.